When it comes to rear suspension on these, there's a lot to do, a lot of details, pushing out bushings, shimming, right? Things get corroded and rusted. But Volunteer Vette products makes it all easy, man. They do all the work for you.
Yeah, they really do. You know what happens, right? Time is undefeated, right? Whether you're like this, where it's just parked in a garage and stored a lot, but still, right, you still have bushings that dry out. If you look, you know, they'll get tears and things like that. So what happens? The best way to address it is to get everything at once, and even better, when you get everything pre-assembled to GM specs. And that's what they do, man. It's great.
Now, along with the trailing arm kit, you can also opt for easy, right? The easy button, you can get your control rods already rebuilt. You can get shims for getting everything set up correctly. So this is kind of neat to see the assembly here. So this is the trailing arm, right? So this is your body side swinging down on the other side of the car. You've got your lower link down here, right? You've got your spring mount here for the transverse leaf spring, which is kind of interesting on these. But this is all, right, original, clean, powder coated, but new bearings, seals, backing plates, stainless steel for the parking brake. So you know everything.
Like everything's gone through.
Just like you get from the factory.
Yeah.
Ready to bolt on. Okay. So with that, let's get the other side rocking and rolling, strip it out, get the new parts in. First, good tip, get you some muscle to hold this thing up, right?
It's
so,
heavy.
With Willie holding the trailing arm, it makes it a lot easier to get, you know, the bolt threaded up through here. So that's nice and tight up there. We got our shims on both sides that we tracked taking it off. Let's get the rotor on, and then I'll show you what we're doing with the brake lines here, which is pretty cool. So